Find gun building kits. Boys were used to build Legos and robots. Now, they want something more challenging and manlier, building a gun. With commercially available gun building kits, it is very possible to build guns like putting puzzle pieces together. All you have to do is make sure that you have all the needed pieces and then follow the step-by-step guide. Sounds simple, but the real work can be more complicated depending on how complex your gun is. For now, learn where and how you can find gun building kits. Try finding kits from the places listed below: military or law enforcement supplies stores. These stores may not be popular, but every area has these kinds of stores. You'll have better luck finding gun building kits in stores that also sell military-related things. Just don't expect that these kits can be bought over the counter. In some countries, you might be required to get a permit and register the gun building kit before you can bring it home. Sports stores. These stores cater to more sports, not just gun-related. There's a slim possibility that you can find gun building kits from these stores. But at least, try to ask, and you might be surprised that some sports stores also sell these kits. Hunting supplies stores. Places that are known for hunting are usually flocked with hunting supplies stores. Try finding gun building kits from these stores. If they have kits, these guns might be limited to those commonly used for hunting. Hunting lodges or bars. Many hunters would spend hours after and before hunting in famous hunting lodges and bars. Many of these establishments value their customers a lot that they are offering gun building kits as gifts. It's also possible that they are selling these kits, too. Better ask, and who knows, they might have just the kit that you need. Online gun stores. Websites like gunkits.org, Angelfire, and Military Gun Supply are offering gun building kits. Prices may vary from $30 to up to $500 depending on how sophisticated the gun is. You may negotiate on the type of gun that you want to build. Many websites and offline stores are willing to custom-make a special order from customers. However, expect this special order to have a special price, too. Visit clubs and organizations relating to guns. Organizations that have interests on guns can give you lists of recommended stores selling gun building kits. The National Rifle Association, for example, has pamphlets with information on where to find gun building kits. The list can be a good start on where to find these kits. Gun enthusiasts. Many gun enthusiasts have turned their hobby into a profitable business. If you have some colleagues who collect guns, ask them if they sell gun building kits, too, or ask if they know a store or someone who does. Although considered toys for big boys, guns should only be used with care and responsibility. Understand the reason why you want to find gun building kits. Most want the thrill of building their own guns, while others are just curious whether making their own will yield a better performing gun. Be a responsible gun owner and never use it to inflict pain on other people. Guns are supposed to be for protection, not for assassination.